Do you want to improve communication with your partner? Here are simple 3 steps. Step number 1. Remove filters. While you're talking to your partner, you get into arguments because you talk in a freestyle way. And that happens because there are negative filters which you do not realize. They are superiority, judgments, insensitivity, and need to control. Instead of talking from a superior position, have a lot of equality, respect, and politeness towards your partner. That will help. Also, instead of being judgmental, be open to understand how your partner sees that situation, the same situation that you're talking about. Also, instead of having a lot of insensitivity, have a lot of empathy towards what your partner feels. And instead of controlling the discussion, be open for a mutually acceptable solution. Step number 2. Share in a sequence. Instead of dumping everything that is in your heart on your partner, if you use a structure, that will help both of you. So start by sharing how you feel in a specific situation in the present moment. Do not talk about the past. Talk about how you feel in that very situation. And be careful. Do not blame your partner for that situation or do not use criticism in your talk. And then share what do you exactly need for yourself. When you share what you need for yourself, also explain how that need, when get fulfilled, impacts you positively. At the same time, share your flexibility. Tell to your partner that I'm flexible to find a mutually acceptable solution. And when you're done with this structured talk, ask your partner to share his or her views as well. It's not just about you. Communication is two-way. When your partner starts sharing, do not interrupt your partner. Do not interject and do not judge your partner. Let him or her speak. And then welcome an open discussion on how you create mutually acceptable solutions so that both of you are happy. Step number 3. Failing fast and perfecting. Communications are tough and they are not taught anywhere. We do not learn that in school, in college, nowhere. And that's the reason why couples keep on fighting. They are not able to express what they feel. Now, if you use this structure that you've just learned, you'll start getting better at it. But remember, you'll still make mistakes. So be prepared that you'll make mistakes and quickly learn from them. When I said failing fast, if you fail fast, you'll be learning fast. Do not shy away from practicing the structured talk. And you do that very well in your workplace, don't you? Communicating in the right way definitely leads to great bonding. We at Mind Tigers offer personalized, practical, one-to-one training program that help you learn how to communicate effectively so that you can create a love-filled relationship with your partner. In these programs, you're provided with a personal trainer who helps you work on daily assignments every day for 49 days. And these are simple 5-minute easy assignments. Do like this video, subscribe to our channel and also press the notification icon so that you can get to know about our next videos. Till then, good luck!